Welcome to a new revolutionary buy and sell debt system. Within the buying and selling debt industry, it is not uncommon to purchase a $20,000 debt for $2,500 and then sell it for $10,000 within 3 weeks. Therefore, you just produced a gross profit of $7,500 within 3 weeks. Keep in mind, this is one of the best times in history to get involved in the buy and sell debt industry due to the fact there is so much of it in the marketplace. There are just so many Canadians in debt in the present moment. The highest statistics ever posted is in the last 3 years. Truly, these days you cannot throw a rock on a crowded Canadian street in any direction without hitting someone who is up to their eyeballs in debt. So there is no doubt when the training is taken seriously, there is a lot of money to be made in this industry. Therefore, we take our training very seriously, and we are confident to say if you follow the blueprint laid out for you, it will be very profitable. Training is provided by a series of video links and personalized recordings of recorded conversations with your clients. We take the progressive evolution approach in our training, meaning we will give you a task to complete, then once you complete the task, we have you start on another task building on the one before. Keep in mind, you will also have access to a hotline that goes straight to your personal mentor, who will be there to answer all your questions and keep you heading in the right direction. We will also be sharing custom-made marketing algorithms regarding how to advertise for free and receive many Canadian borrowers and investor leads in order to buy and sell debt with us. Before you know it, we will have you buying and selling debt like the Wolf of Wall Street.